Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to draw a dotted line in AutoCAD. Dotted and dashed lines are essential in technical drafting because different line styles communicate different types of information. In AutoCAD, solid lines are not the only option. Line types such as dotted, dashed, center, hidden, and phantom lines help distinguish object relationships, construction references, invisible edges, and technical annotations. A dotted line is a line that displays separated dot patterns instead of one continuous solid stroke. Why dotted lines matter? Dotted lines are commonly used to represent reference geometry, construction guides, hidden or secondary information, boundary indicators, technical drafting conventions. Important clarification. In AutoCAD, dotted lines are controlled through line types rather than manually drawing dots one by one. Start by opening AutoCAD. Then open your drawing workspace. Click on the Line button. Then draw a regular line on the workspace. Why you start with a regular line? The geometry itself remains a standard line object. What changes later is the visual line style. Now go to the command line area. Then type LType. Then press Enter. LType stands for line type. Inside the line type manager, click Load. Not all line types are automatically loaded into every drawing. The Load option imports additional line styles into the project. Scroll through the available line types until you find dot, then select it. The dot line type changes a solid line into a repeating dotted pattern. Then click OK to load the dotted line type into the drawing. What happens next? The dot line type now appears inside the line type manager and becomes available for assignment. Now click on the line you previously drew. You are now choosing which object will receive the dotted line type style. Go to the Property section. The Property section manages settings such as color, layer, line type, transparency, and line weight. Locate the line type setting. It may currently say by layer. Open the drop-down menu and choose dot. What happens after selecting dot? The selected line changes from a continuous solid line to a dotted line pattern. If the dots appear too small or almost invisible, the issue is usually related to line type scale rather than the line type itself. What you just did, you loaded a new line type, assigned a dotted pattern to an object, changed the visual drafting representation, and used AutoCAD's line type system properly. You modified the line's visual communication style without changing the underlying geometry. Why different line types matter in CAD? Different line styles help communicate visibility, boundaries, construction references, object relationships, and technical standards. To summarize, drawing a dotted line in AutoCAD begins by opening AutoCAD and drawing a regular line using the Line tool. Then by typing LType in the command line and pressing Enter, the Line Type Manager opens. Clicking Load allows additional line types to be imported into the drawing, where selecting the dot option and clicking OK loads the dotted line style into the drawing. After selecting the line and opening the Property section, changing the line type from by layer to dot applies the dotted appearance to the selected line. And that's how to draw a dotted line in AutoCAD. The important thing to understand is that line types are part of the drafting language used to communicate technical information clearly, not just visual decoration. Once you understand how line types work, your drawings immediately start looking far more professional and organized. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys like this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.